Hey everyone! If your Android phone isn't making any sound, don't worry. I'm going to walk you through quick and easy fixes to get it working again. Just follow each step carefully. First, let's make sure your phone isn't just muted. Press either volume button on your phone and check the slider that pops up. Tap the three-dot menu above it to see all volume settings. Look for the one with the speaker icon. That's your media volume. If it's at 0, slide it up and test your sound. Next, check the app sound. Sometimes the phone is fine, it's just the app being quiet. Open apps like Instagram or Facebook and play a video. Look for a speaker or microphone icon in the corner. If it's crossed out, tap it to unmute.
For YouTube, go to Settings, then scroll down and tap Data Saver, and make sure Muted Playback and Feeds over Wi-Fi Only are turned off.
Now make sure to turn off Do Not Disturb. Do Not Disturb is great for meetings, but not when it stops your sound. Swipe down from the top of your screen to open Quick Settings. Look for a minus in circle icon or crescent icon. That's DND. If it's on, tap it to turn it off. If you can't find it, go to Settings, then search Do Not Disturb. Once you find it, make sure to turn off. Next, check Bluetooth connections. Your phone might be sending sound to a forgotten Bluetooth device. Swipe down again, long press the Bluetooth icon, and check Connected Devices. Disconnect any audio devices or just turn Bluetooth off completely. Next, clean the headphone jack. A dirty headphone jack can trick your phone into thinking headphones are plugged in. Turn off your phone first. Take a Q-tip with most of the cotton removed and gently twist it inside the jack to remove any debris. Be careful not to damage anything inside. Also, clean the speakers. Dust can block your phone's tiny speaker holes. Start with a cotton swab to remove surface dirt, then use a soft toothbrush to gently scrub around the holes. You can also use a can of compressed air to blow out any particles. Or try a speaker cleaning app like Speaker Cleaner. It uses sound vibrations to shake out stubborn dust. And that's it. After following these steps, your Android sound problem should be fixed. If this helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more quick tech tips.